Herman Battleline and his team at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln are performing the double-slit experiment with electrons. It's the latest in a series of similar experiments dating back to the 1960s.
One of our goals was to be as close to the original thought experiments as we could possibly be.
The scale of the experiment is incredibly small. Each slit is only 100 nanometers wide. That's 1,000 times narrower than a strand of hair.
It takes a lot of time to get things lined up, a lot of patience to get things to work properly.
The experiment takes place inside this metal tube with a super hot filament firing electrons at the slits. After passing through the double slit, electrons strike a detector screen, which produces these green dots.
At first glance, you would expect that for classical particles, you would just get the addition of the two distributions. If you actually do it, there's an enormous surprise in store for us.
The signal of the electrons hitting the detector screen is transmitted to a computer. The left image shows the electrons striking the screen individually. The right image reveals a pattern that is built up over time. Incredibly, after a large number of electrons hit the detection screen one at a time, they produce an interference pattern. So individual electrons behave like particles in arriving at specific spots on the screen. They also seem to behave like waves in building up an interference pattern over time. This shows that electrons have a dual nature. Physicists call this nature the wave-particle duality.
It's always amazing that we can actually see something that is a quantum mechanical effect on a physical screen in our lab. It's very rewarding to be able to actually do that, and it's a lot of fun.
And really excited about the double slit and what we can do in addition to what we've done so far.